Hi, my name is Joy Wang, and I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon in Sunnyvale, California, USA. I guess I'm bringing in week number 7 of 12 of the Wind Desert Island. And this is also week number 9 of 12 for shelter in place and lockdown in California for me. During this difficult time, I wanted to pick a few videos that we can share with our staff as well as our colleagues. And it's a good way to sort of bring us all together during this time. As Albert Einstein once said, in the middle of difficulties lie possibilities. So the first video I chose for you all to share with your staff is on abutment parts and pieces and how to choose them. Many times our staff is, so to speak, at the front line and helps us out each day with speaking with our patients. And it's always nice to review with everyone, particularly our front staff members, on why your doctor chose this particular abutment for you. And the second video is on educating and caring for your patients during COVID-19, mainly diagnosis and management of biological complications. I know that most likely in the winter months, we will be all back on lockdown, unfortunately. And I just wanted to share this particular video to sort of remind us as to how we can identify and better manage periimplantitis. All of you stay safe, take care, talk to you soon.